Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, this review covers the Dayforce app, a cloud-based platform designed to help businesses manage their workforce, including HR, payroll, scheduling, and performance management. If you're looking to streamline workforce management, this app may be exactly what you need. The video explores the app's key features, pros and cons, and whether Dayforce is a solid choice for your business or organization. Dayforce offers a comprehensive solution for businesses looking to improve efficiency across various departments. The app's key features include HR management, payroll processing, employee scheduling, and performance tracking, all within one platform. This makes it easier for HR professionals and business owners to track employee data, streamline payroll, and optimize schedules without relying on multiple systems. One of the standout aspects of Dayforce is its cloud-based infrastructure, which allows for real-time updates and seamless collaboration across teams. This ensures that businesses can access critical information and make decisions faster. Dayforce also offers mobile access, allowing employees to check their schedules, request time off, and manage personal details from their smartphones. However, like any software, Dayforce does have some downsides. While its feature set is robust, the platform can be complex to navigate, especially for new users. Some users have reported that the interface can be difficult to learn, and training is required for employees to fully understand the system. Additionally, some businesses may find the pricing to be on the higher side compared to other workforce management tools. In terms of customer feedback, Dayforce has received mixed reviews. Many businesses appreciate the platform's comprehensive features and integration capabilities, but others have mentioned that the app can be slow at times, and customer support has room for improvement. The overall sentiment is that while Dayforce offers a powerful suite of tools, it may not be the best fit for every business, especially smaller ones with simpler needs. So, is Dayforce worth it? If your business needs a comprehensive, all-in-one solution for managing HR, payroll, and performance, Dayforce could be a great option. However, if you're a smaller business or just need a simpler solution, you may want to consider other apps that are easier to use and more affordable. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.